Welcome to your interior design YouTube channel. Elevating your home decor with the latest trends begins with selecting top table cover designs. These covers serve as the focal points in any room, adding both functionality and style to your living spaces. With a myriad of options available from minimalistic to bold patterns, there is something to suit every aesthetic. Incorporating the latest trends ensure your space remains fresh and on point. Whether you prefer sleek and modern designs or opt for a more traditional colors and materials allows you to create a look that's uniquely yours. Moreover, investing in the high quality table covers not only enhances the visual appeal of your home but also adds a layer of contribution to the overall ambience of your dining area or living room. Keeping up with the latest trends in table cover designs enable you to effortlessly elevate your home decor game. So explore the options, mix and match, and let your creativity shine as you transform your space with the perfect table cover. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.